Hi guys, this video is going to show you how to enter sources from databases onto your NoodleTools project. So make sure you are still on your dashboard for your annotated bibliography assignment for English 1. So before we add a source, the first thing we need to do is share this project with My Teacher Dropbox. So you're going to go down to this box that's titled Sharing and Collaboration. You're going to look for the second box that says Sharing. And in project, you're going to click Share with a Project Inbox. Now, the name of the project inbox for this assignment is Ringfelt Ing 1 Annotated Bibliography. So when you start to type in my last name, it'll pop up. It's giving me a no record match right now because it's my project inbox, so I can't share with myself. But once you do type that in and it pops up, you're going to click Done, and then your project will be shared with me. You won't need to share it again. All the changes that you make will be automatically updated. Okay, so to add sources, we're going to click up here where it says Sources. Okay, and I want to create a new citation. So it's going to ask me where is the source. So because I found it from one of the library databases, SIRS, I'm going to click Database. And then I need to figure out what type of a source I have. So I have my Google Doc open here from the source that I exported, and I know that it is a newspaper article. So I'm going to go back to NoodleTools. I'm going to click Newspaper. All right, and I'm ready to go. So the first thing I need to do is identify the name of the database. So I can just click this drop-down menu and select SIRS from the list. And then I can put in the URL, a direct link to my source. So if I click back here on my source, here's the direct link. I can just copy that and then paste it in. All right. Most recent date of access. So this is the last time that I accessed this source. So I found this source today, so I can just click today and it's going to fill it in for me. If you found this source like a couple days prior, then you would just click on the drop down and fill in the date that you accessed the source. All right, so now I'm going to add some specific information about the article. So it's asking for the author. So again, clicking back, the first name is Lori. And then the last name is Marino. Okay. Now, if you find it annoying to click back and forth, then one thing you can do is click and drag and split your screen. So here I have NoodleTools on one side, and then I have my article on the other side. And that way you can just see it back and forth and you don't have to keep clicking. All right, so now I want to put in my article title. So here it is. I'm going to copy it and paste. It's asking for the section and page numbers. So there is no section indicated, and NP means no page because this was on the online version of the article, so I'm going to leave that part blank. Now, if there were some page numbers indicated, then you would definitely want to add them, of course. All right, so now I need the name of the newspaper. The name of the newspaper is the Orlando Sentinel. So I'll copy that and paste it. Publication city is Orlando. And then the publication date, July 28th, 2017. So July 27th, 2017. Okay. The edition is the online edition. Okay. And that is it. So I'm going to click Save. And now my source is all ready to go. Okay. Next week we're going to talk about actually adding the annotation to our citation, so you don't have to worry about that just yet. But after you add your first source, your next step is to continue finding articles that help you to answer your research question and defend your viewpoint. And then, of course, you also need to find some articles that address the opposing viewpoint as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. And that's it.